Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a simple AI-generated sketch and turn it into a fully rigged MetaHuman character inside Unreal Engine. We'll be using Gemini, Tripo AI, and Mesh to MetaHuman, and I'll walk you through each step. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to go from an idea to a 3D character that's ready for animation or games. Let's kick things off with Gemini AI. I'm using the free trial of Google AI Pro plan, which costs around 2000 rupees. I'll use this to create a front view image of a sage character. That way, we have a clean, straightforward reference. We just need the face of the character. Remember that having the hair or beard would cause the AI mesh generator to create that as well as a mesh. This is not ideal for mesh to MetaHuman, so we need a bald and shaven version of the face with just the eyebrows. Once we have the image, the next step is uploading it into Tripo AI. This tool automatically creates a 3D looking base mesh from our 2D picture. It's super handy because it saves you from spending hours sculpting a model completely from scratch. Once Tripo AI is done with mesh generation, we export it as an FBX file. Inside Unreal Engine, remember to toggle the MetaHuman Creator plugins from the Edit menu. Restart the editor once that is done. Now let's import the FBX into Unreal Engine. Create a MetaHuman identity file and then use the mesh option to have the AI generated mesh. We then promote a frame and activate the auto tracking of markers. We then use the markers to adjust the shape of the character eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. Remember to click the MetaHuman identity solve whenever you are satisfied with the shapes. Once that is done, we click the auto rig MetaHuman identity. Unreal does most of the heavy lifting here, analyzing the mesh and turning it into a MetaHuman character. Once the auto-rigging is done, we then create a MetaHuman character. Here we use the conform option and then hit from template and choose the MetaHuman identity that we created in the last step. Now we can fine-tune everything. Adjust the face, tweak the details, add hair, skin, clothing. Basically make the character truly your own. We will sculpt, add facial hair and materials here until we are done. Once that is done, download the textures from source to add it to the character. Then press the Create Full Rig option to rig our character. The final step is to assemble the character as a MetaHuman. And here's the final result. A fully rigged MetaHuman character, built from an AI-generated sketch. We can add it into a third-person character controller and start building gameplay around it. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. I've got more Unreal Engine and AI character creation tutorials coming soon. And if you have an idea for a character you'd like me to try, let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.